Welcome to the second stage of your journey in Novela Social, the budget phase. This is where you will decide how much of your budget you want the simulation to bid in the competitive auction to reach your target audience. On this screen, you have one decision to make. Do you want to set a cost per result goal, or do you want to use the simulation's automated bidding? Don't forget, you can ask Ella to analyze in-depth documents to help you weigh up options. The decision is still yours to make, but Ella can provide data-driven insights to inform your choices. You can leave this box blank and let the ad delivery system make automated bids on your behalf. This is what Meta encourages advertisers to do today. It has some benefits. It can be more cost-effective, because it may be able to deliver conversions at a lower bidding price than an advertiser would set manually. It can also be more expensive as it means you lose control of your bids. You can see on the screen that the optimal range is usually between $20 to $25. You can try going lower, but go too low and you might miss out altogether.